Okay, so next question is value of 3 plus cot of 80 degree into cot of 20 degree, this divided by cot of 80 degree plus cot of 20 degree is, cot of 20 degree is, we have to find value for the given expression, and here options are: in A, cot 20 degree is given, then in B, tan of 50 degree is given, in C, cot of 50 degree, and in D, cot of square root of 20 degree is given. Okay, again simple example it is. Directly by using our given expression we have to find the correct option. Okay, so we consider given things here. Given 3 plus cot of 80 degree into cot of 20 degree, this divided by cot of 80 degree plus cot of 20 degree, cot of 20 degree. Okay, firstly we convert this expression in simplest form. To find the value, we consider simplest form of the given expression, and to convert this, we write this cot of 80 degree as cos 80 degree upon sin 80 degree, and this cot of 20 degree as cos of 20 degree upon sin of 20 degree. So this is equal to, here 3 plus cot 80 degree is cos of 80 degree, this divided by sin of 80 degree into cot of 20 is cos of 20 degree, this divided by sin of 20 degree, and this whole divided by, again cot 80 degree is cos of 80 degree, this divided by sin of 80 degree, then plus again cos of 20 degree, this divided by here sin of 20 degree. Let's solve this numerator first. Okay, so this is equal to, here I write this as, this numerator as 3 plus here. Okay, so here in this example, here 3 plus is given. Okay, so I write this as 3 sine of 80 degree into sine of 20 degree plus in next cos of 80 degree into cos of 20 degree, and this whole divided by here sine of 20 degree into cos of 80 degree, then plus cos of 20 degree into sine of 80 degree, sine of 80 degree. Okay, here in denominator sine 80 degree into cos 80 degree is given. Also in the denominator sine 80 degree and cos sine 20 degree is given. We cancel these two denominators. Now in next step, here I write this 3 sine 80 degree into sine of 20 degree as here 2 sine 80 degree into sine of 20 degree. Why? Here we get 2 sine A into sine B form. 2 sine A into sine B form. So I write this 2 sine of 80 degree into sine of 20 degree, then in next plus here cos of 80 degree into cos of 20 degree plus, now here 1 sine of 80 degree into sine of 20 degree, into sine of 20 degree, and this whole divided by here sine of 20 degree into cos of 80 degree plus cos of 20 degree into sine of 80 degree. Okay, now here we get 2 sine 80 degree into sine 20 degree. That is, we get form 2 sine A into sine B, and we know 2 sine A into sine B is here cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B, cos of A plus B. So this is equal to, remember again, 2 sine A into sine B is cos of A minus B, means 80 degree minus 20 degree, then with minus sign, cos of A plus B means 100 degree plus 20 degree. In next we get form, consider these two terms, cos 80 degree into cos 20 degree plus sin 80 degree into sin 20 degree, and is of the form cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. And we know cos A cos B into sin A sin B is here cos of A minus B, cos of A minus B. So here I write cos of A minus B means 80 degree minus 20 degree, and this whole divided by, again in denominator our form is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, and we know this is here sin of A plus B, here is sin of A plus B, so here sin of A plus B means 80 degree plus 20 degree. Now this is equal to, here 80 degree minus 20 degree is 60 degree, so cos of 60 degree, then with minus sign 100 degree plus 20 degree, sorry, 80 degree minus 20 degree is 100 degree, so cos of 100 degree. Next plus here cos of 80 degree minus 20 degree is 60 degree, and this whole divided by sine of 100 degree again, sine of 100 degree. Now here cos 60 degree is, here cos 60 degree is 1 upon 2. Here is 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2. We get here 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2. Or I write this as here 2 into cos of 60 degree. Cos 60 degree plus cos 60 degree is 2 cos 60 degree. Then minus cos of 100 degree, and this divided by sine of 100 degree. Sine of 100 degree. Okay, so using this part we have to find value. We have to find value. So here we go with our next step, new step. So here we know cos 60 degree is 1 upon 2. So this is equal to 2 into 1 upon 2. In next, here cos of 100 degree as it is, and this whole divided by sine of 100 degree. Here 2 and 2 cancel. Only remains 1 minus cos 100 degree. We know 1 minus cos 100 degree is of the form 1 minus cos 2 theta. And we know 1 minus cos 2 theta is here 2 sine square theta. Here is 2 sine square theta. 2 sine square theta means 2 sine square 50 degree. 2 sine square theta means 2 sine square 50 degree. So this is equal to 2 sine square 50 degree. Okay, and this divided by, now here 100 degree is given. We know 100 is 2 into 50. 2 into 50, that is we get sine 2 theta form, and sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta into cos theta. So I write here 2 sine 50 degree into cos of 50 degree. Remember again, here 100 degree is given. 100 means 2 into 50. That is we get form sine 2 theta. And sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta into cos theta. And in this step we get here 2 sine 50 degree into cos of 50 degree. Here 2 and 2 cancel. Then here sine 1 sine 50 degree and here sine 50 degree cancel. Only remains sine 50 upon cos 50. And we know sine upon cos is tan. So this is equal to tan of 50 degree. And our correct option is B. Here B is the correct one. Okay, so directly here we use formulae related with the compound angles, formulae related with the factorization formulae. Okay, important example it is. Now we go with our next example.